by designing a special collection, boxing glove jewelry, that a friend asked us for her club team. We managed to create something different for this space. In many combinations for the male and female athlete, and we hope you will be satisfied with the design and quality of our jewelry. The first order was from an athlete who wanted to wear a piece of jewelry from the sport she loves, so I created a ring, earring, bracelet and pendant set with her initials. The jewelry is silver, but can some gold be made after consultation? If something does not exist, we can manufacture it in a design, in consultation with you.
Through our video we showed you the special constructions and creations of our store from 1987 until today. Designing and creating handmade jewelry with our signature. From the simplest to the most special constructions. Comment, like and share if you like. Thank you.